In this series of videos, we want to encourage participation in the LatinX in AI forum. Join us to share your ideas, ask questions, and connect with passionate people like you in the AI field. My name is Rocco, and this is a video and a step-by-step guide on how to add conversation when posting in LXAI forum. This is where you can create a new topic that will be sent to the forum for people to engage with. In this button, New Topic, you can create a new post or topic that will be sent to all the people in the community. You can share in this topic the category and all the details. For this video, we will go deeper in a specific example. Let's check an example. We can see that this post is inviting all members to participate, so people can answer with their point of view and add to the conversation too. When grading your post, you will find options that will make the content more interesting. And if this is your first time, they will help you build your new idea. Click on the link button after the language selection of your post to add a link and redirect people to learn more. Just make sure to follow the guidelines of the forum you can find on introductory conversations inside the forum, or ask for help and the team will give you a hand. Here you can see all the different categories available in the forum at the moment, from education and learning resources to site feedback, grants and funding, official announcement, and many more. Now let's make an example, and let's say you are looking for people to join an event. For this example, we will use a post created here on the forum. In this example, the post creator did a great job by presenting first, sharing a link, and telling a story of why he's creating a post in the first place, then following with a direct invitation to all the interested members. We can see that people started to engage with the post, letting the post creator know about their interest in joining. I'm sure you can get inspired from this case and many more you can find inside of the LXAI forum. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you will quickly add to the conversation. We hope to see you actively participating and enjoying the conversations in our LatinX in AI forum. See you next time.